everyone, this is Mrs. Depew with a quick and dirty tutorial on how to use our drafted home patterns. This one is a little more complicated than most, so I'll be able to show you a few of the harder to understand points of this system. Here we have our sample pattern 355. It's a 1940s corselette, and as you can see here, it's made, the front is in 5 pieces, is what that says in French. So we're going to draft this all as one giant piece, and then those pieces will be cut apart into separate cup and front inset pieces, and you'll need to draft a seam allowance around those as you go. So what you can see here is that it gets a little complicated. Sorry about that. You've got 23, 31, and 42, pardon my lousy nails. And so you're going to need to pull your ruler along that line and draw 23 right here like I've done. 23, and then 31, where are they? 23, 31, and 42. I know that got a little blurry. So you do that all on the same line here so that you've got all 3 points on the same plane. Now, when you do it like that, you just have to watch your numbers and make sure you're getting them all on the same line. So they're gonna be a little packed in there. I prefer to start from the right at the farthest number and then slowly work my way over. Now the big trick to this is to just number your dots as you place them so you always know where you left off. And if you find that your pattern is a little wonky or needs truing, you can go back with your ruler and look at where that dot was by number and see if maybe you missed it a little bit. Another thing I suggest is putting 2 thicknesses of cardboard on your table edge. I tape mine to the table, and then I use a push pin to move my ruler around. That way I don't scuff my table. Always tape down your pattern square template so that it doesn't shift around on you. Only your ruler should be the only thing moving. So this is the finished dots grid. I know it's hard to see, of the front of the corselette. So the next step on this would be to basically connect the dots, and it's really just that simple. Happy sewing!